beautiful people, welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about tiles being installed on our floor. Yes, I know you guys are aware that we recently bought this property and this is a brand new house, but we just could not stand the floor in this property. So yes, this change had to come sooner than we thought. I think at this point it's safe to say that I love transforming spaces, because the last transformation we did in Hawaii just did something to us that we really love. So if you're someone watching this video and your space is seemingly boring to you, you can just do some light painting, do some changes around, and I feel like it's gonna make your house brand new. At the end of this video, please let me know if this whole transformation was worth it or it was just a waste of time and resources. I absolutely love transforming spaces because it just gives that fresh breath into an environment. These are the old woods that were taken off the floor. This is the current state. Of the house. I took out all the rocks. So guys, the baseboards have been removed and this is what is going on right now. So this is what the floor was looking like after the wood was removed, and it had something like a foam. Unfortunately, I was so busy with the kids that I didn't take a video before he took it out. This is how the floor is looking like. This place, well, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm trying to make something for my family, so that's why he left this place so that I can walk for now. But this is what it's looking like. He's doing a very good job. I love what he's doing for now. These are the tiles we are using. We went for really big tiles. I mean, these are not the largest tiles or the biggest tiles in the market, but we wanted really big tiles. Unfortunately, some of the tiles have chipped by the side, so if there's so many of them that have chipped by the side, we'll have to return them. But this is what we are working with. So they're gonna be doing 50 by 50. I will put a video of what 50 by 50 means, so you guys see you guys have an idea of what we are going for. Yeah. So this is the living room. This is what it's looking like. This is what is going on. Yay! Oh my God. The transformation is real. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. This is the work that's going on.
1 second, sir. No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, excuse me. My work.
Okay. Hello people, I just wanted to give an update of what the house is looking like. So the work is not done, but let's see what they did. So please forget about this. My baby made a mess here, but inside the pantry, oh, they're right here. They are here. So this is what it's looking like in here. Over here, this way. However, I don't like this. Please let me know what you guys think. I don't like this half tiles over here. And to make matters worse, they put this tiny tile over here. I hate it personally because I just think this is the hallway. Like this is the entrance to my house. So I think it should be perfect. So yeah, I don't like that. It is over. Finally, we have our floors. Can you guys see how good these tiles look? Can you guys see? Let me show you guys like the finished look.